In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in CoinMarketCap. Maybe you found yourself needing a bit more control over your CoinMarketCap experience or simply want to limit interactions with certain individuals on the platform. Whatever the reason, this video will guide you step by step to show you how to effectively manage your connections by blocking someone if necessary. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the CoinMarketCap website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page and logged in, focus your attention toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon sitting comfortably above. This is where the journey begins. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for is your community page, as this is where you can see and manage your interactions with others in the community. Click on My Community Page to open it. Your community page is like a hub for your social activities on CoinMarketCap. It's here where you'll be able to find and connect with other users, but also, when necessary, control and restrict unwanted interactions. On this page, you'll be given the opportunity to search for the person you want to block. This might be someone you've interacted with before, or perhaps someone who has been engaging with your posts or comments. Once you've located the person you wish to block, look for the 3 vertical dots. These dots usually signify more options, and that's precisely what we're interested in right now. Clicking on the 3 dots beside their name or profile will open up some additional choices. From the menu that appears, select the block option. This is your final step. Blocking this person will mean they won't be able to follow you or interact with your content on CoinMarketCap anymore. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your preferred level of privacy and the kind of community engagement you want. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked someone on CoinMarketCap. While it's something you may not need to do often, knowing how to manage your profile effectively can lead to a more enjoyable, secure, and customized experience on the platform. Remember, these steps are reversible. If you ever decide to unblock that person, you can do so by revisiting your community settings and managing your blocked list. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tricks on navigating CoinMarketCap and other platforms.